In today's video, we're going to be doing an update on my EXP investment, where I'm at, how the company is going, and what I'm planning to do with my position. So stay tuned.
I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Alejandro Romo, and in this channel, we talk about investing, personal finance, and all things money. Alright, so I'm going to be on my laptop. I'm going to be going over EXP and everything, like I said. Right here, we're at my my dashboard for my YouTube studio, and you can see that I did the video February 12th, so about 2 months ago. A lot has changed with the stock since then. It's not in the green for sure. I'm gonna show you right now. When I bought this stock, I even said that it's probably a bad idea to jump into the stock. It had like a mega rally from like 40 bucks, and it went all the way to like, I think the high was like 180 before they did their stock split. And I also said in there it was going to be a bad idea, and sure enough, it was a bad idea. But I also said I was going to be adding to my position, and I'm going to keep buying. I'm going to hold this stock long term. So let's get into it. Okay, so originally I had dropped about maybe $14,000 on this stock, and I got 100 shares. Again, this was before the stock split, and now we're in the stock split, so I got a bunch of shares now. What happened with the stock split, it was a 2-to-1 stock split, meaning I had 100 shares, but afterwards it jumped to 200 shares, but my price per share got cut in half. So that's a 2-to-1. I got those shares on M1 Finance. I also started buying on Fidelity as well. I'm going to show you my overall position in total, and I'm also going to give you an estimate of how much percentage I'm down on my position. So right here on the computer, we're on M1 Finance, and on M1 Finance I currently have 368 shares, 0.08862, and this average price is wrong. I don't know why it has 78.83, because I bought at 70, right? So it should be lower, and I've been buying, so it should be lower. My cost basis 21,000, so I've put on M1 Finance, I've paid $21,039 for 368 shares of EXP. Currently, I'm down 35% on M1 Finance, and my position is worth $13,604 right now. If we go here to Fidelity, you can see a position I have on a different company, but we're not going to pay attention to that. But real quick, this company is an electric car company, and the only reason I put money into it is because I saw some other trucks at work at the docks. So anyways, you can see that my cost basis is $5,331, and my position's at $4,791, and I currently have 132 shares right here on Fidelity. So 132 plus 368, that's 500 shares. If you do the math, I spent about $26,364. I have it written down right here. So $26,364 divided by 500. My cost basis per share is $52.72. So at the point that EXP gets back to $52, I will be in profit if I don't continue buying more. Again, when you dollar cost average, when you buy, like for example right here, my number is 52. Anything that I buy under $52 is going to bring my average cost down. So that's a good thing. Right now, I am not buying because I don't have any money to deploy into the stock anymore, and I have some other matters to take care of. But I'm happy with my 500 share position. If you do the math, again, I've put $26,364. My current overall position is at $18,095, and that equals to a minus 31%. So I'm down 31% on my position that I started with, 26,364. So again, if you want to pull up information on a company that you want to invest in, a lot of companies have an investors page or investor relations or whatever you want to call it. Right here we're on EXP, EXPWorldHoldings.com. You go to investors, and I'm going to show you recent news that has been released regarding EXP, which is making me more bullish on EXP. So let's go over them. So this is where we were at with the 2-for-1 stock split. Since then, they have expanded to more countries. They're now in Puerto Rico, We're in Hong Kong, Colombia, Spain, Israel. EXP exceeded 50,000 agents, so that's more people. That means possibly more income, right? And then they also expanded to Italy. So right here you can also see that they're about to do their quarterly report on May 6th. This is going to be their first one for 2021. And basically, like I said, they're, expanding. They are probably, I think it's like at 11 countries already. You got the United States, Canada, the UK, Australia, South Africa, India, Mexico, Portugal, France, Puerto Rico, Brazil, Italy, and Hong Kong. And they continue to scale. So that's awesome for me. I think, so hopefully their quarterly earnings report continues that consistent growth that we've been seeing. And I'm not done buying the stock. Like I said, I'm just not buying it right now, but I will continue to buy some when I have the money to buy more stock. Alright, so let's do a little bit of technical analysis. Right here we're going on TradingView to look up EXP. For me, it's very important to look at charts because you need to see where the stock has resistance. Resistance means as the line or the graph line is going up, it reaches a price point where it struggles to make it pass. And then there's also support. The support is if a stock is trending down, it meets a line where it tends to bounce off, meaning there's a lot of people holding that stock right there and not looking to sell. It's just like the main holders of the stock. And sometimes we can break resistance, meaning you'll go past that high point, or break support and go past that downside. So here goes the graph. I have a daily chart right here, and right here I have 4 lines, one at 20, one at 31, one at 41, and one at 60. So prior to the stock split, which again, according to this, it was on January 19th. So right here is January 19th. The stock was trading at about $39. This is after split, so it was at $80 at that time. So right here you can see the stock was in this little channel. So it bounced off of 40, right? And then it dropped down over here to the support line of 30. And then it tried rallying up again. And then again, I don't know why this happens, but usually when stock splits happen, stocks tend to go up. It's not always the case, but here you can definitely see that that's the case. Again, it happened January 19th when they announced it. Not that it took place. I think it didn't take place until January 29th. It jumped 126%. It went up $50 from the announcement of the stock split. You could have doubled your money if you would have put your money in EXP. That's crazy. But again, I bought like right here, like at $140 a share, and then I went all the way down. Let's say I bought right here, and then this was the lowest point so far recently. I was down 60%. That's ridiculous. Now we can see that we have a support right here at $31. For some reason, the stock decided to jump up 7%. Don't know why. Haven't seen anything on the news, but that's good. Right now we're going in an uptrend, I guess, and we might hit resistance here, or we might break through, depending on probably their earnings report. It'll probably make the difference whether we go up this way or down this way. But again, I'm gonna keep investing. My average cost for this stock was about $52. So for me, I feel like if I can get the stock at any point under $52, or until I get to that break-even point, it's a good deal. As long as I can keep bringing my average costs, I want to keep buying this company. Again, this video is not going to be a real insider on technical analysis because, well, I'm not the best teacher for this, but this is simple stuff that I know about technical analysis. You see this line, this purple line? It acted as resistance, and sometimes resistance and support lines switch off, right? So it came back down to $20. That's now support. It was trying to go up, but to say nah. Okay, bouncing off the support, nah. One more time, off support, nah. Some news happened, it started taking off, it reached this point right here of resistance, and there was more people buying than there was selling, so it caused the stock to go up. Now $40 became the resistance line, and then it sold off to the $30 line, which was resistance before, and now it's support. So the resistance and support go hand in hand with each other. So again, we bounced off that new support line, right? And then the stock split announced, boom, shot up. Everybody took profits, and people got left holding the bag. And I rode it down all the way down here so far. We're back to this support line, right? And we're hoping that this $41 is going to be the resistance line that we're going to break next. So yeah, this is a pretty good overall technical analysis on this company. So yeah, that's my overall thoughts on EXP, what I'm doing, and yeah, I think this company has a lot of potential. Yeah, $26,000 is a lot of money, so I just want to show that I'm putting my money where my mouth is, right? Is that what it is? Yeah, let's ride this this stock. I have high hopes. The charts look good, financials look good. May 6th, I'll probably do an update after May 6th to see where we're at with the stock. Maybe I bought more shares, maybe not, because that's what, next week. So looking forward to that. And if you made it to the end, please give me some likes, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss no more videos. And until next time, let's get this money. Peace.